I am unboxing the Smart AI Recognition Bird Feeder. It has a remote control camera. This can hook up to your iOS, so you've got to have an app for this, or your Android. Packaging's pretty nice. You've got this instruction manual. There is bird feeder. That looks like that's the top of the house right there. And this looks like the internal parts and components. Okay, so this uses solar charging to keep the camera working. There's your camera right there. First, you got your USB thing here, some mounting tools and whatnot right there. The place where the birds actually land, which is this thing right here. Here's a mounting bracket as well. It also comes with this micro SD card, 64 gigabyte card right there. This has night vision on it as well. So this did not come with any bird feed. However, it came with some instructions, so I can at least get this prepared. We got my Smart AI bird feeder. It'll have a camera in here and everything, and so we can watch the birds from inside the house, and it has night vision too, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna install this here on this fence right here. So let's get this Smart AI bird feeder installed. This is the mounting plate for the Smart AI bird feeder. All I'm gonna do is just mount this right there, and then the bird feeder can sit on top of that. As you can see, this comes with different types of mounting hardware. It even has like drywall mounts right there that you could use, but we're not gonna use that. All we need is the screws, since this is going into a 2x4. You can get a little hole started right here. Now I can take the mounting plate and put it up here and just kind of let it hang out right there. This next screw is going to be important because you want it to obviously be level. So I can just take this, and I'm putting this in a sunny spot, and I'm setting it right down in that little hole. Now I've got this little mount right here I've got to put underneath. Once I put that mount underneath and tighten the screws, then this thing will be secured. You got this little tiny hole you got to line up. Once you got a little hole lined up, it's not too hard. Start tightening this down one by one. Got another one started. The next thing I'm going to do is install the camera. You see right here, I've got an SD card installed. I also have a switch here. I need to be sure that's on. Got this little cover, and then as you can see, this cord right back here will plug in here and give this power. First thing you need to do with this camera is actually charge it fully, and I did that with the provided USB cable that came with it. Now I'm gonna just switch this on, put this here. This will help protect everything in there. As you can see, this little part right in here rotates. This little mounting screw right there, and I'm gonna mount the camera on. That's mounted on. So now I can start rotating the camera. Before I rotate that all the way up, is rotate it up a little bit. Push this USB in to the little port. Now I should be able to just rotate this all the way up. All right, so the next thing we need to do is just add bird feed and go from there. In order to get this top off, in order to put the bird feed in, there's a little tab you gotta pull on the back. You gotta pull all this straight up. The USB is on the back side of there. You gotta pull that out, and then this will go straight up. I'd unplug this from this right here, this USB-C. I'm in Texas, so this is the perfect time to add some of this wild bird feed right here. Let's see if I can just add it from the top. Plug the USB in. I'm gonna try to line these up. Lined up on both sides. And twist that down. Make sure the wire's in the inside. There's the installation of the Smart AI bird feeder with the camera. And so hopefully we get some birds over here pretty soon. We've got the solar panels on top, hopefully charging the camera down there. And we're just gonna wait on some birds and see if the birds show up.